The machine is streamed through all the way from Toronto, Canada. Name of the finest skill trucks. Yeah, share the money. I'm gonna come and continue for work, you know. Yes, sir! Big up the girls, I'm gonna say everywhere, Flip squad, go and play the girls and then they put none of them shots now. I want to see. The party are history of your jobs. You hold on, waiting later. I'm going to tell you.
I'm not just chicken, she just moved right up for me. And she got the hots for me, the finest thing I've ever seen. Oh no, no, she got a man in a sundoe. But that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up her.
Well done, British, well done.
I'm gonna make this with her now. That's for sure. Never been a type to pick up a happy love.
Pick up all the Canada family. The second year, I don't understand. I guess if you will tell now, but you mean to me. You know the girls ever know say you're good baby mother to your youth, you talk about your youth anywhere you go. All of you link up to anybody right now, yes sir. Yeah, that's a brand and love it. Love it for Credo, you know. It's just a shame. Oh, that may I tell you. Yo, that gonna be a foxy girl. They love foxy. Love foxy. Oh, foxy. It's so Canadian foxy.
Holding down the spot and I'm good. Repping the girls on the block and I'm good. I got the thing on lock.
Yeah. Why don't you come back to the party? Let me play some song for girl them first. You know the thing said, right? Now, get a truck. Say why your boys there. Then hear my brother from my next mother and the next father.
Well, right now, Jigsy. For the people that might want that.
Drink most of soap. Make sure you get some flesh tonight, you know. It's like nothing like. Big up Jamaican. Danger Studio. Portland. I know you never see me back in Portland till July, Jerk Fest.
Now it's time I hit back up with you.
Now big up the Canadian family, you know the things that I want to say the Jamaica Canadian link up.
We kick it up at the top, now she's all rolled up.
Muy bien, muy bien.